This is how we jive for mass communication. Here I'm again with another video. Indeed, I'm going to show you how you can activate and deactivate alarm option your Tapo security camera. So without further ado, go to Tapo application. Tapo, here we go. And I have three cameras. I go to the first one, my garden view. Here, my garden, this is a live view. And you can see different option. Alarm, you can see here, hit this one, is on. Very simple. Hit this one, is off. So you can easily on and off alarm, or you can go here the security option. Here you can see alarm option as well. So hit this one, on. So it will detect unusual movement. You can detect and also check the sound. Alarm type, sound alarm, sound and light, both possible in this case. Also sound types, different type, tone or siren, depends on the type, you can decide. Also alarm schedule, you can put a schedule alarm in this case as well. All day, during the day, depends on the time. So at the day people move, it will not make any alarm, but at the night it will see unusual movement, it will put alarm alert. So very simple, on and off from here or here as well. Okay guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. If you like this segment, please give me a thumbs up. Take care till then, bye.